Alright, so this is the mystery to how you unlock the secretive bruh. Am I right? Am I right? That's funny still, I don't know. And okay, so basically all you do is you get your animation right and you're like, balls in your jaws. Right? And then you don't drag it in there because that's not how this stupid program works, but you copy it. And you put it in there, that's what she said. And you copy this again. But you go into this little desktop thing in there and you paste it and you got it right there and it's on your desktop. So you're like blah 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 and then you find this and you're like send to, what do I send to? I send to a compressed folder and you're like LL, right? You do all that stuff and then after that all you gotta do is you just gotta go down to your file that you have, which is compressed because you can't send uncompressed folders, but then you send it and then you can export it and yeah, it's basically how it works. Thank you for watching my wacky fun video.